Need a new sport poster design for your son, grandson, or any favorite player? Try this style using only Canva. Let's dive in. Open Canva and choose any project size. I will choose Instagram post. You can apply any size here. First, I will change the background color to black. Upload 5 close-up photos with different expression. And reduce the size. And then arrange like this. Crop it. I will crop it here. And place it here. And this one I will also crop like this. This one also I will crop. And this one crop only one side. Okay, select them all, increase a little, place in the center. Remove all the background. Click here, click copy style, and select the rest of the photo to erase them at once. And then go to apps, type here Blender, enter, choose image Blender, click one photo, click fade, click radial, move it here, reduce the size, I will increase a little, place it here in the center, and then click save. Do the same for the rest of the photo. Now go to element, add a blue line light, and then rotate 90 degrees to the left. Place it here between two photos. Duplicate, duplicate again, and duplicate again. I will select them all, move to the top a little, and then upload the full body photo and remove the background. Reduce the size. We need just a small element here. And you can also increase the size of this close-up photo. And then back to element. Add a white blurry gradient. Reduce the size. Reduce the transparency. And then place it here. And send it to back. Add a name with number here. Add a statistic here and here. So now we have it. Click share, download as PNG, and click download. Please hit the like button if you like this tutorial. See you next video and have fun with Canva.